Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to discuss that exercise 8.4 remaining questions. Sixth question. Sixth question we need to prove square root of 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A is equal to sec A plus tan A. We need to prove square root of 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A is equal to sec A plus tan A. So we will start from LHS. LHS is equal to square root of 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. First step, we will multiply this LHS numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine A. Okay, just multiply this by numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine A. Okay. Now in numerator we will get 1 plus sine A all square. 1 plus sine A all square. And in denominator this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. Then that is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. And this is equal to square root of 1 plus sine A all square divided by, we know that this 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. And thus we can write it as 1 plus sine A divided by cos A all square, because in numerator and denominator we have square. Now take that outside because this square and square root get cancelled and we will get 1 plus sine A divided by cos A, and split it into two terms, 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. That is 1 by cos A is sec A and sine A by cos A is tan A. Sine A by cos A is tan A. This is our RHS, hence we proved. Now seventh question. Seventh question. Sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. We will start from LHS. LHS is equal to sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. In numerator, sine theta is common. Take it outside. Sine theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta divided by cos theta is common. So cos theta into 2 cos theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. And this is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that we can write it as tan theta into 1 minus 2 into sin square theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta all divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to tan theta into 1 minus, just open this bracket, then 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. And this is equal to tan theta into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two terms get cancelled and we will have tan theta. This is equal to RHS. Okay. Now Eighth question. Eighth one. Sin A plus cosec A all square plus cos A plus sec A all square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now LHS is equal to sin A plus cosec A all square plus cos A plus sec A all square, and this is equal to, we will expand these two terms by using A plus B all square. Okay, just expand it by using A plus B all square. Then we will get sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus second term cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. Now we will take some terms together. Sin square A plus cos square A we will take together. Sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. Sin square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A plus sec square A. Cosec square A plus sec square A plus 2 into sin A into cosec A, we can write it as 1 by sin A plus 2 into cos A into sec A, we can write it as 1 by cos A, and this is equal to sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1, and we have one identity in terms of cosec square A. What is our cosec square A? That is 1 plus cot square A. Cosec square A we can replace it by 1 plus cot square A. And sec square A, that we can replace it by 1 plus tan square A. These two are identities. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. Plus sin A get cancelled, then we will have 2. Cos A get cancelled, and we will have 2. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. This is our RHS. So we got LHS is equal to RHS, hence we proved. Ninth question. Ninth question. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. 1 by tan A plus cot A. So LHS is equal to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A, and we will write this cosec A, that is 1 by sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 by cos A minus cos A. and this is equal to, just take LCM, then we will have 1 minus sine square A divided by sine A into 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. And this is equal to 1 minus sine square A is actually, our identity is sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is our trigonometric identity. From this 1 minus sine square A, we will get it as cos square A divided by sine A into 1 minus cos square A, that we can write it as sine square A. Sine square A divided by cos A. Okay, cos square A divided by sine A into sine square A divided by cos A. Now, this cos square A and cos A get cancelled. Then we will have one cos A in numerator. And sine square A, sine A get cancelled. Then we will have one sine A in numerator. So LHS is equal to, we got a cos A into sine A. LHS is equal to cos A into sine A. Now we are going to consider RHS. And we need to prove this RHS is also is equal to cos A into sine A. Then we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. So we will start from RHS. RHS is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. 1 by tan A plus cot A. And this is equal to 1 by tan A, we can write it as sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A. And this is equal to, just take LCM in denominator. Then we will have sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A. Now take the reciprocal of denominator, and in denominator we will get 1 divided by the sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So again 1 divided by sin A cos A. Now take the reciprocal of denominator, then we will have sin A into cos A. Okay, sin A into cos A. Now LHS is equal to sin A into cos A, already we got. Now we got RHS is also is equal to sin A into cos A. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we proved. Now next question. Tenth one. In 10th question, we need to prove 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A all square is equal to tan square A. Okay, in this we need to prove we have three parts. So first we will prove the first one is equal to last one. Okay, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to tan square A. That we will prove first. Okay, for that consider 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus tan square A is divided by 1 plus cot square A. That is equal to 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. We can write it as 1 by tan square A. Cot square A we can write it as 1 by tan square A. And this is equal to 1 plus tan square A divided by, take LCM, then we will have tan square A plus 1 divided by tan square A. Okay, and this is equal to 1 plus tan square A into, take the reciprocal of denominator, then we will have tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So this 1 plus tan square A get cancelled and we will get tan square A. So we proved first one is equal to third one. First one is equal to third one. Now we will consider the second one. Second one is 1 minus tan A all square divided by 1 minus cot A. Okay, 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A all square. And this is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A. We can write it as 1 by tan A all square. And this is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by, take LCM in denominator, that is tan A minus 1 divided by tan A. Tan A minus 1 divided by tan A all square. And this one is equal to 1 minus tan A into, just take the reciprocal of your denominator, that is tan A divided by tan A minus 1 all square. Tan A minus 1 all square. Here we have one negative difference. So what we will do is, we will take one negative outside from this term. Okay, we will take one negative outside from this term. Then that term become one minus tan A into tan A divided by, take one negative outside from the first term, this term, then that is become minus tan A plus 1. Minus tan A plus 1 all square. And this is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan A divided by minus, just rearrange the term, then we will have 1 minus tan A. Okay, we have minus tan A plus 1 we have. So just rearrange the term, then we will get 1 minus tan A. Okay, just take one negative outside from this term, then we will have minus of minus tan A plus 1. And just rearrange the term, then we will get 1 minus tan A. And this 1 minus tan A and 1 minus tan A get cancelled, and we will have minus tan A all square. And this is tan square A. So we proved the second one is equal to the third one. So we can say that three are equal.